Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be like a day in a life type of video. I'm just gonna show you what I did for Jayden's second birthday, the decorations, the DIYs, pretty much all the behind the scenes of his birthday celebration. So for this simple DIY backdrop, all you're gonna need is a piece of plywood, and this one you could get it at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. I pay about $20 for this one. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with this kite paper that I got at Oriental Trading. By the way, guys, I'm gonna link everything down below so you guys could get it if you're interested. Anyway, so this was super easy. The cool thing about making your own backdrops is that you could either use paper like I did here or use fabric. So all I did was staple this together, you guys, and that's pretty much it for the backdrop. There's like no signs. I was using heavy duty staples at the beginning, and then I end up using just regular staples, and I finished the whole thing. I just staple it all around it. Next DIY I did for Jayden's birthday was the centerpieces, which was one of my favorite because it looked so damn cute the day of the party. Centerpiece, I got this wire basket from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm using this beautiful Paw Patrol wrapping paper that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna cover the basket all around it like so, like you see me doing in the video. Then I'm gonna add this floral foam that I got at the Dollar Tree as well. Everything is from the Dollar Tree except the figures. And then I'm gonna make like a little stand. I'm gonna put the wood figure in, push it all the way in, and then put it inside the basket, and then just start covering it with this greenery that I got at the Dollar Tree as well. DIY was super cute and everyone at the party loved it. You're gonna see at the end how I style it, adding balloons. If you want to recreate this at home and you don't have the wood figures, all you have to do is print out your favorite cartoons or Paw Patrol into cardstock and cut them out. So guys, we don't have any footage of the DIY balloon garland that we made, me and my cousin, but I do have a small amount of clips that I found and that I was able to save, and I hope this helps. It was super easy to make. All we did was measure the balloons the same size, so about 7 inches I think it was, and then we tied 2 balloons together from different colors, and then we used a string to attach them all together as a garland. That's pretty much it. I know it sounds hard, but trust me, it's super easy to do. If I did it, you can do it too. So these are the steps that we follow. This is my cousin tying all the balloons together, and until we have the length of the garland that we wanted. The day of the party, we attach more balloons because some of them obviously popped and stuff like that. But that's pretty much what we did. I hope this helps somehow. How about a little bone mini bite-sized sandwich? All you need to do is buy a cookie cutter and make them super cute and unique for a Paw Patrol birthday party. So I created this Adopt a Puppy station and every single kid loved it. Along, I also decided to add some snacks for the kids. So here I found these cute little bowls that are actually for dogs at the Dollar Tree, and I decided to use them for little chips. And this is how everything turned out. So this is me the night before. This was Friday night, and I'm over here trying to set up the area where we're gonna have the desserts and the cake and stuff like that. So this is gonna be my dessert table. So here I am decorating. So here you're gonna see me. I got this piece of grass rock at Home Depot. I think it was a feet or a feet and a half, I think, and it was less than $15. I thought it would be cute to kind of have the grass because, you know, they're dogs and stuff like that, so that will go perfect with the theme. And now me and my mom are adding the backdrop. So I secured the backdrop just because I didn't want the kids to just be jumping around it, so my husband secured it on the back. Then it was time to add our masterpiece. I'm just kidding. So we're adding the balloon garland, which it was tricky to do, you guys, honestly. Like, it was a mission because we wanted it to look as tight to the ceiling as possible. Now this clip here, it's Saturday morning. That's my brother helping out. I needed a strong guy to kind of push the pin in. I found this happy birthday banner at a local dollar store and I thought it was super cute. So here we're just setting up the table for the desserts, pretty much. So these dessert stands, I made them myself. I shared this with you on Instagram, I believe. All I did was add 2 candle holders from the Dollar Tree and 2 chargers from the Dollar Tree and paint them all red, pretty much. Over here, I'm adding my candle holders with some greenery on top, and then I'm setting up the little goodie bags area. So here's another dessert tray that I used, and all I used was the foam board from the Dollar Tree, and I wrapped it around it with that PAW Patrol wrapping paper. So this busy mama really did wanted to bake her own cupcakes, but I didn't get to it. Luckily, I went to my local BJ's and they have these gorgeous red, white, and blue cupcakes, and all I did was decorate them, and they honestly came out looking like they came out straight from the bakery, custom made for his party. That's another option, guys, and another idea for you to kind of customize stuff-bought items to make it look like they came from the bakery. You know, don't tell nobody. So this is how the dessert table turned out. This is how everything looked before we added the desserts, the cake, and stuff like that. We also extended the garland to come out, as you can see here in the video. And here's all my confetti that I added to the table. I think it came out super festive. And here we are setting up the tables. I wanted to kind of share this clip with you so you guys could see the different and the behind the scenes of how everything was done. So I definitely recommend renting your linens because it makes the tables look a lot more elegant. This is how everything turned out for the tables. It looks super cute. Honestly, it was so windy that day that a lot of my balloons end up just flying away, and that's why some of the centerpieces have more balloons than other. What can you do? So here's how the dessert area looked when the cake arrived and the rest of the desserts. I was super pleased and happy with how everything turned out. The adults, I decided to make my own homemade sangria and display some liquor there, and they loved it.
Jayden, happy birthday to you.
Guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope this video gave you some ideas for your next party, and I see you on the next one. God bless.